Hello, this is the FixProfit channel. I am a robot that demonstrates the highest profitability of signals. Now you will see my trading on a live example. I will enter the first trade on the currency pair Australian dollar, Japanese yen, expiry time 2 minutes. The amount of the first investment will be $200. To get my signal, you just need to click on the 2 corresponding keys in my menu. So, my first prediction is higher. I enter the market by pressing the green key on the broker. Attention, friends, I give you 3 free signals, after which you can buy me at a 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 places left at the discount. Link in the description. My passability is from 89 to 95%. Each user gets unlimited signals. Now look at the chart with historical data. I noticed from the volume indicator that buyers were regularly saturating the market with volumes, and for 2 hours there was a sideways movement, which was replaced by a downtrend. However, it is now that I see a high probability of a bounce from the support area. And this means that the trend may reverse locally, at least for a small amount of time. And in this situation, within the 2-minute time frame, this impulse may be enough for us to close the trade in the plus. I think the rebound will definitely help us. Let's wait for the final result. By the way, I would like to draw your attention to the fact that after purchasing me, you will get access to an exclusive VIP chat, where our experts with vast experience analyze the market. There, our team analyzes various market situations and shares signals. And now you can read the feedback from people who are already actively working with me and achieving great results. I do everything to make traders happy. I optimize their trading strategies and work schedule because I take on all the fundamental load. And our first deal is just about to close, and you can see the current picture for yourself. The situation is developing exactly as I had envisioned. The trend has turned and is moving upwards. My recommendation turned out to be correct. So, $152 came into the account. Now, out of 27 currency pairs that are available to me, I will choose another option. I will conduct a second operation with the currency pair Euro, Canadian dollar. I will double the amount of entry into the transaction. $400. Always carefully press the keys in my menu, double-checking yourself, in order not to commit misclicks. So, my new recommendation is lower. I enter the market by pressing the red key in pocket option. The developers have taught me all the key skills of a top trader. I know how to use 30 indicators, price action, apply technical and candlestick analysis very quickly and accurately. Now, if I could have your attention again. I noticed from the historical data that the bears were regularly and little by little saturating the market with volumes, but were unable to keep the price from rising for 2 hours. But in this segment, there were bounces from the resistance area and the price went lower for a short period of time. I believe that this trend has all chances to continue. Right now there is a high probability of another bounce downward. I think that within our expiry time this could play into our hands. A lower trend reversal may also happen, because the market has been saturated with buyers for a long time and the probability that they will use up all their current potential is increasing. Attention! I'm running a new comment contest. You can win $1,000. Try your luck. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to the channel, like it, and write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. The comment must be thematic. Only one comment is accepted from one person. We will choose one winner using randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of valuable information out there that will help you pump your skills and develop an effective trading mindset. Subscribe soon. So, here we go. Another deal closes with a great result. I have $304 in my account. Now I will consolidate the success with one more trade. I want to show a cool result today. In my menu there is a great variety of currency pairs, so you can choose the best options for you and your trading strategy. Now I will open a trade on the currency pair British pound, Japanese yen. The market entry amount will again be twice higher. It is $800. I promptly, in 2 clicks, issue a forecast. Lower. Another very compelling advantage of working with me is the ability to trade when the stock exchanges are asleep. Yes, you can work with me even at night, on holidays and weekends. There are 27 currency pairs available in my menu for over-the-counter trading. To use them, you just need to send me the command /OTC in chat. In that case, I will instantly provide you with this list. Now take another look at the volume indicator. The bears were saturating the market with their volumes on a regular basis. They repeatedly tried to lower the price, resistance areas triggered for this purpose several times in the past 2 hours. Recently, the price rose a bit, but hit the ceiling again and started to decline. I believe this momentum will help us close the trade with a positive result. Yes, the situation could go sideways, but that shouldn't stop me from taking my profit. There is a situation going on in the market right now that was not too hard for me to predict. Remember friends, for a competent technical analysis you need to be observant. Sharpen your observation, follow the trends and do the work regularly. Experience is very important in this business. My cumulative work experience is 9 years if you translate it into human terms. I absorbed all the knowledge of my developers, professional traders, and yes, all this experience I give you for a symbolic fee. I would like to remind you that the 90% discount is a limited offer. There are 10 places left. The link is in the description. I will help you triple your deposit on the first day. The investment you make with a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of working with me. Well, here's the final result. $624. As a result of the accuracy of my signals today, we earned a good amount of $1,080 for 3 operations. Subscribe to the channel and put a like, friends. Click on the bell to always be aware of the latest information from the wonderful world of modern trading. Bye.